July 2nd at 9 a.m.
And would she be able to attend see?
Hi guys, it's Kathy. So, I don't know if you saw it. There's a special surprise in this video. You might have already seen it. She has a meltdown. They mute her, so we just get to see the meltdown and not hear the meltdown. But see if you can see the surprise in this video. I'll tell you what it is at the very end. Here we go. This is a best of the mess. This is one of my old videos from 2023.
The video containing your rights was played?
No, I was late.
Did you understand the rights that I just explained to the first person, Ms. Almaguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Did you have sufficient time to speak with your lawyer this morning, Ms. Hubach?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's take you through your cases. We're going to be on record in 23 CR 06166. In this case, you were charged with destruction of property. You pled no contest to that on June 12th of 23. And we set it out for sentencing, but you failed to appear allegedly at sentencing both on December 6th of 2023 and then again on April 17th of 2024. Do you wish to admit or deny failing to appear for that sentencing hearing?
For my community, wait, what? Can you on my last case?
Yes.
They told me that one was closed, but yeah, I probably did not show up. I'm not gonna.
I'll accept that. Thank you. I accept that as an admission, and I'll find you in contempt for failing to appear and not showing up.
But I was, but no, but I was not allowed at the library at the times either. They keep trying to trespass me.
Okay, well, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about that in a
whether
minute.
or not I still didn't appear, so.
I understand. Let's talk about your new case then. In your new case, 24 CR 07738, you were charged with trespassing alleged to have occurred on June 17th of this year, and that would be at 200 East 4th Street, the RTC bus station. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
How do you wish to plead to that charge?
No contestant, and hoping that I could get time served or go to community court or something and get out.
All right, let's talk about it. In order to enter a no contest plea, I want to make sure you understand that you're waiving your constitutional trial rights that I explained to you earlier. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. I'll accept your no contest plea and I will find you guilty of that charge. Ms. Drake?
Quite frankly, I'm worried about Miss Garamendi. She's only 19 years old. She's starting to have a criminal run in our court. I'd like to see her try to get some help. I'd like to see her referred to your court.
Interesting. That's an interesting suggestion. Ms. Hubach?
Your Honor, that would be a joint recommendation. I think that Ms. Drake is absolutely spot on. This young lady is starting to have significant issues, and we'd like to get her some help.
Thank you. Ms. Garamendi, I'm inclined to do that. Let me tell you that community court is great for what we do, but our services are limited. We're only able to assess and assist a certain subset of the population, and I think your needs are greater than what community court can provide. So I would like you to attend the Youth at Risk Court with Judge Champagne. It's a much more, it's more intensive, but they provide more services and they provide more support for those services as well. We'd like to get you on the right track. You're too young to be going in this direction.
I totally freaking agree. But the question is, do I still get to go out today? Like
that's the question. That's the burning question.
Because I would love to go skate today.
Listen, I understand, Ms. Garamendi, but usually the way Judge Champagne likes this done is to have you in custody while the evals take place. And then have you transported to, hang on, have you transported to that court on Wednesday. Ms. Drake, is that the city's recommendation in this case with Ms. Garamendi? I don't know how your court works in comparison to COD.
It works the same way, Judge. I just think Ms. Garamendi likely has a drug addiction. I think she's going to better serve herself by trying to get some days of sobriety and get some evaluations, stay in custody, and we can help get her on the right footing.
Yeah, I wholeheartedly agree. Ms. Garamendi, I think the best way we go and the best footing we have with substance use and sobriety and cleanliness, being clean, is to have you in custody while these evals take place. They won't take terribly long, but it's the better footing to go in this court and actually have some success in this court. Let me see when the in custody evals are. Let's check.
For the substance abuse eval judge, I can do June 24th at 8:30.
And what about the rant?
And for the rant, July 2nd at 9 a.m.
And would she be able to attend COD court on that Wednesday, July 3rd in the afternoon, Ms. Drake, if she had that ramp the July 2nd?
I don't know. It looks like she just got taken out of the courtroom.
Oh, okay, never mind. All right, so she's gone. We'll have to have her assessed on Monday. We'll continue these cases. The bail's already been set on both cases. That's too bad. All right, next case we have is Jennifer.
Did you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Judge Jenny. Remember, I said in Reno, there's Shelley, there's Brian Hazlett Stevens. That's the one we're watching right now. There's Judge Champlain. There's Judge Draculich, which is on a different sort of channel, sort of stream. And there's the regal judge, Judge Jenny. She's a prosecutor in this one. Isn't that cool? That is really cool. If you go through any of my live streams, you'll see Judge Jenny as the judge in here. And she's so regal and she's so proper. And I love watching her. I love it because people swear at her. They swear at her. They curse at her. They call her all kinds of names. And she just takes it and continues forward. She's great. Thanks for coming out, guys. I know this was a really quick one, but I appreciate you watching and I hope to see you again soon. Bye, guys.